Hey everyone, it's Cece from One Green Pea. My Philodendron jungle boogie is way overgrown, so I thought it was the perfect opportunity to show you how to propagate a plant from division. Propagating by dividing a plant is a really quick and easy way to not only create more plants, but also encourage bushy growth. Sometimes when a plant gets as overgrown as this one has, you'll see the stems get extra long as it's searching for light. So by dividing it, I'm going to help create a little bit more of a compact shape, which is what I'm looking for. This philodendron is perfect for dividing, and I'll show you why. Not every plant can tolerate division. Let me show you. So as you look in here closely, you can see that there are actually several offshoots from the main plant. And that means that this guy is capable of being divided. Let me show you one that isn't. This philodendron isn't going to be as happy being divided because all the growth is coming off of one main stem. And so you would propagate this in a different manner. Now that we've determined that we have a healthy mother plant capable of being divided, what do we need? We need either a sharp knife or clippers to help divide the different offshoots, a pot, soil, and water. It's that simple. Let's get started. I always recommend wearing gloves when you're doing a project like this because, you're cutting and some plants are toxic and their sap might affect your skin. So always better safe than sorry. The first task is to remove this big plant from his pot. And I'm going to try to do it as gently as possible without too much tugging on the crown here. So I'll use my knife to go around the edges of the pot. And just know this is going to be traumatic for the plant. So there will be a period of adjustment. You haven't done anything wrong, just know that the plant's going to have to adjust. You're basically removing it from its home and messing with the roots. So let's see if that did it. Not quite, but I can kind of get my hand in here and dig a little bit. There's a lot of roots. It's a healthy plant. And tilting it on its side helps because you're kind of using gravity. It's really in here. Wow. This guy has some root mass. Look at that. Now, a lot of it is separated and oops, there it goes. It's gonna be okay. This is a good grower, so we're gonna be fine. So now what I wanna do is look in here and decide where I'm going to divide it. I'll bring you in closer so you can see what I'm doing. So this really requires that you get in here close and see if you can find offshoots and then separate them with as much root as possible. Let me show you the other side. So this is a nice big offshoot right here. This is a smaller one. So I'm gonna do my best to divide these right in here. So here is offshoot number 1. Still some roots attached, plenty of health there. I'm going to take a look at this, what's left, and it's not that big. Honestly, I think I'm just going to leave this and put it back in the pot. I've done lots of videos where I have repotted, and the procedure is exactly the same. So let's just get to it. In the slightly bigger pot, I'm going to put this bigger plant. So I'm going to fill it about 3/4 full with soil. Take my plant and carefully place it in, making sure the crown is about the same level above the soil it was before, placing it in the center, and then I'll fill in. The last step is just water it well. And I'll repeat with the other plant. This guy gets a drink of water now. Thank you for watching my video all the way to the end. If you liked this video or maybe learned something, I would appreciate a thumbs up on it. And if you're not yet subscribed, hit that red subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I love interacting with you. Until next time, my plant friends, let's keep growing together a greener world. Thank you for watching my video all the way to the end. If you liked this video or maybe learned something, I would appreciate a thumbs up on it. And if you're not yet subscribed, hit that red subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I love interacting with you. Until next time, my plant friends, let's keep growing together a greener world.